We're at the River Access Medlock Bridge, mile 331. This is where the boat ramp is. Need to do some fishing.
Did you enjoy fishing, Dad? No? Is it because we didn't catch many fish?
It's too short.
Too short? Yeah. Have you ever gone winter fishing? Like ice fishing or something? No? Do you want to try ice fishing one day? No?
Well, it's too cold.
Yeah, I guess that's true. I'm gonna go ocean fishing again. That was fun. You ever gone bass fishing?
Yeah.
You prefer bass fishing or trout fishing?
Either one.
Fishing is fishing?
Yeah.
Yeah, fair enough.